Hey, it's Ella, back again with another video for our Ultimaker series, and in this video we're going to be checking the calibration and make sure your Ultimaker is calibrated properly. In this video we're going to be using the Allen wrench provided and the little black calibration rectangle that is provided. In general, when you're working on your Ultimaker and you're working with all this hardware on the outside of the Ultimaker, please turn off your Ultimaker at all times. If you're working on the print head or the feeder or anything else, just make sure your Ultimaker is turned off because it does get really hot. It can move, so you should always have it turned off before you start any of this troubleshooting. So this is how you calibrate your Ultimaker. You fit that little guy in there and you see all this gives, so you need to go up on top and use your Allen wrench and go right up on top. We are adjusting these 4 screws with tension so it holds in that calibration card. We want it to hold it in there, but we don't want it to be a snug fit. So like right now, it's really snug, so I tightened it way too much. So I'm gonna go back and loosen it just a turn on each one because we don't want one to be loose and one to be super tight. We want them all to be kind of uniform. So now we know it's calibrated because it's in there and it has a little bit of a give to it. So it's like a fine line, but we don't want it a tight fit. We don't want it to fall right out and be loose. But it's in there now and it's not a tight fit. I can get it out. So that's about where we want it. And that's it. That's all you do to calibrate it. Super easy, super simple. Shanann for watching our videos. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.